What's up, you guys? It's your girl Milan. Long time no see. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my eyelashes. So you'll need obviously your choice of lashes, your choice of lash glue, and tweezers. I'm using these tweezers today. They're just lash tweezers. And these are also Lash Doll lashes, my good friend. Life of Lash on YouTube and Instagram. Lash Doll lashes. You guys go get you some lashes. Let's get started. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention that you'll probably need a mirror, just, you know, for personal use. All right, so what you're gonna do is grab your lash and your lash glue, and you're gonna apply it to just the band right here. Okay, so I don't use a lot of glue, but I just do a really thin line of it, just so it can coat my lash line. This is what it looks like. Let it air dry. Okay, and my glue, once it starts getting, you know, like a darker shade, that means it's ready to put on. So this is the time that I would grab my mirror and place it how I want it. And I don't use the tweezers yet. You can see pretty close to the lash line. And now I kind of let it do its thing and air dry a little bit more on my ball. And now you want to get your tweezers and kind of press down your lash and the tweezers, and well, sorry, your lash and the actual eyelash together, like so. And then keep doing that. Until you get to a point where it kind of looks like your lash is connected.
Okay, so now that my lash is done air drying a little bit more, I'm gonna pinch my lash in the ow.
Okay, I'm gonna pinch my lash and the fake lash together with my fingers, like so. This is gonna give like the illusion that they're actually mine, and they coming out my, you know, whatever you wanna call this, follicles. Oh, my eyelid. See? Sorry, that's just glue right there, but you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, you guys, so that's it for the video. If you liked these type of videos or want more videos or this helped you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell below. Sorry for, you know, no videos for 5 months, but you know, school is school, right? Okay, so yeah, make sure you guys comment what type of videos you want to see next. Also, a college dorm tour is coming soon, just letting you know. All right.